everyone, take a tissue roll and then cut off a piece of tissue. Start folding it from one end downwards. Now after you have folded it 2 times, make 2 twists in it as such. Fold it 1 more layer and then each layer that you folded, make a twist in it. Do this until you reach the other end of it. Make sure that it is a slightly long piece of tissue paper. Now roll it up in on itself and it should form a flower once you are done. Add a thread to the bottom and once you are done with it, add a stem using some green crepe paper. Now take a paintbrush and paint it in any color that you like. Add some leaves and then make multiple of these. Take a bottle and then slit off 2 of the sides of it. Now taking a small strip of it, curve it up by cutting it as such. Then use a lighter in order to make sure that the edges are formed. Add them all together and you should form these glass looking flowers. Next, take some twine and then roll it up as such. Take a green stem, add yellow buds on top of this and then add the folded pieces you have created as well as the leaves and make multiple of these. Take a white sheet of paper and then cut out the shape of a flower along with petals to this. Curve each of the petals and then roll it up, bring it up as such. Add multiple layers to this. As you keep adding the layers, it should look like a rose. Next, take a bottle cap or rather a Tetra Pak cap and then add it onto a cardboard paper. Take some thread and then roll it around this until it forms a hat-like shape. Now cut off one of the ends, add a little bow on it using some thread as well as a pearl. Take a cup, make multiple slits on it, flatten it on any flat surface. Now taking some thread, alternatively roll it all around and this is what it should look like. Spread it out as such and then fold it out in the open, add a little handle and you should have a basket. Take some fruit foam net and then take a bottle, slit the bottle. At the top of the bottle, add some green crepe paper. Then add paper to make it look like leaves. Do the same at the bottom as well. Add the fruit foam net at the bottom. Take a bottle and then slit it into half. Make a hole or make multiple slits on all of the sides. Once you have done this, take thread or take some plastic, wrap it all around as such. Fold it inwards and then add a handle to make your basket. Take some fruit foam net and then cut it up, roll it up and then add a thread in the middle to it. Cut off the edges to form the slightly circular shape. At the bottom, wrap it around using some green crepe paper. Connect multiple of these together and you should have yourself an entire flower vase. Take some crepe paper that is orange or red in color, add tape on one of the ends, make slits on the other end. Fold these slits downwards and also curve them. Wrap them along the stick and then it should look like a flower. At the bottom, attach some green crepe paper. Next, take some red crepe paper, cut it up in the shape of petals or a leaf and then fold the edges. Take a green stem or take a wire and then add your multiple layers to this. At the bottom, add some leaves as well as the base. Take some fruit foam net and then roll it up, add a thread to it. Once you have done this, cut it up and then make it into a ball-like shape. Trim the edges evenly. Make multiple of these and then stick them onto multiple branches that you find. Add it to a vase. Take some blue ribbon and then take any card and then wrap the ribbon around this card. Then taking a lighter, take another strip of ribbon, fold it over and then burn the edges so that it stays. Make this V shape and then stick multiple of these together. Using a hot glue gun, wrap it around the stick and then roll it up and make this flower. Dip it in some glitter to make it look all the more better. Take some red crepe paper and then fold it up, cut it up into this particular shape. Then take another sheet of paper, add the yellow center and then wrap around these layers to it so that it looks like a flower. Make multiple of these and then add some wire to it. Stick it in a vase to make it look all the more better. Take some fruit foam net and then roll it up, add some thread to the middle of it, cut off the excess, cut off the edges, trim the edges. Make multiple balls like this and then cut out leaf shapes using some crepe paper. Stick branches and leaves to them. Thank you for watching.